Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer door bean in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer door bean. The freezer door bean is mounted on the inside of the freezer door. The main reason to replace the freezer door bean is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. We can find the freezer door bean on the inside of the freezer door. Alright, to remove that bean, we need to push in this locking tab all the way in and lift up on the bean. This is the old freezer door bean next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to install the new bean. First, we're going to put this hinge into the opening. And I'm going to slide this side hinge into the opening and push it down. And this tab will lock. Now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.